open the box containing your tap, take the boiler unit out of its packaging and keep the filter box close to hand. Familiarize yourself with all parts of your tap and prepare your tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, 2 adjustable spanners, and an electric screwdriver. The Digital 4-in-1 Classic requires 2 plug sockets installed inside your cupboard. Step 1. Preparing the tap. Start by removing the rubber washer, metal washer, and fixing nut from the base of the tap. Then place the tap on a flat surface and ensure all hoses are securely tightened by turning them clockwise. Step 2. Mounting the tap. Feed all flexible hoses and the electronic signal connector through the tap hole in your sink or worktop. Place the rubber washer, metal washer, and fixing nut back over the hoses and slide them up to the threaded base. Hand tighten the fixing nut to secure the tap in place. Check the alignment and then finish by tightening the 2 fixing screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Step 3. Connecting the mains water supply. Connect the metal T-piece to your mains cold water supply and tighten with an adjustable spanner. Attach the cold water inlet hose number 1 to one side of the T-piece and secure with a spanner. Then connect the hot water inlet hose number 2 to your mains hot water supply and tighten. Step 4. Installing the filter. Undo the filter housing, remove the filter from its packaging, and insert the filter cartridge into place. Ensure the rubber ring is correctly positioned before tightening the housing lid firmly onto the body. Take the filter head, which is attached to the wall bracket, and install it in a suitable location under your sink by securing the bracket with screws. Ensure there is enough clearance to connect the filter, then connect the filter to the head. Connect hose number 5 to the metal T-piece on the cold mains and tighten it with an adjustable spanner. Insert the other end of hose 5 into the filter inlet and use the locking clip to secure the hose. Take one piece of 1/4 inch plastic tubing and insert one end into the filter housing outlet and secure it with the locking clip. Remove all locking clips from the plastic 3-way connector. After, connect the other end of the 1/4 inch plastic tubing into the plastic 3-way connector and use a locking clip to secure it. Step 5. Connecting the junction box. Take 2 other pieces of 1/4 inch plastic tubing and connect them to the remaining outlets on the 3-way connector. Secure them with locking clips. Prepare the junction box by removing all locking clips. Then connect one of the tubes to the chilled water inlet on the junction box and the other tube to the boiling inlet of the junction box. Secure all of them with locking clips. Take hose number 6 and connect it to the boiling water outlet of the junction box. Secure it with a locking clip. Then connect hose number 3 going from the tap to the chilling water outlet of the junction box and secure it with a locking clip. Now you can mount the junction box in a suitable location under your sink, ensuring it is close enough for hose number 6 to reach the boiler. Step 6. Connecting the boiler. The boiler has 2 water connections: blue inlet, cold water supply going into the boiler, and red outlet, boiling water coming out of the boiler. Attach the other end of hose 6 to the boiler inlet marked blue. hand tighten, then give it a half turn with a spanner. Do not over tighten. Insert the rubber washer into hose number 4 and connect it to the boiler outlet marked red. Again, hand tighten and finish with a half turn using a spanner. Step 8. Turning on the water supply. Slowly turn on your mains hot and cold water supplies and check all fittings carefully to ensure there are no leaks. Step 9. Powering on and first use. Connect electronic E1 cable from the tap to the E2 electronic signal cable from the junction box. Plug in the power cables for both the boiler and the junction box, but do not switch them on yet. Switch on the power to the junction box. The digital touchpad on the tap will briefly illuminate before returning to a locked state with only the padlock symbol lit. To activate, touch and hold the lock button until all functions illuminate. Press the red boiling water button until it starts flashing, then wait for the water to begin flowing. The boiler will need to fill before any water comes through. Once the boiler has filled, switch on the boiler power and set it to your desired temperature.